Oh, what a beautiful day. So, guys, here we are. It's snowing. Usually, we have a lot of snow Christmas time, but surprisingly, it's actually spring. And it started snowing like seriously. We need some hot weather. We don't want any more snow. So, it's snowing. You can see we have a bunch of snow actually. Let me just show you. See? Ooh, snow! Look, you can actually dig in. Beautiful snow. Beautiful, really beautiful. And it's cold, so it's really cold, so I cannot even stay outside for long. But here we are. There's actually a pool down here. You can see a pool, it's actually frozen. By tomorrow, you can actually walk on top, it will be frozen. So it's really a beautiful day, guys. Beautiful day. So we're enjoying the weather, and it's still snowing for like probably another 2 to 3 hours. And my wife is actually here. My wife is here. She's hiding. She's feeling cold. Say hi. She's
Hello,
feeling
guys.
cold.
It's cold out
She
there.
told me she doesn't want to come out and see the snow, but she's really enjoying the weather. So it's a beautiful day, right?
Yep.
Is it? Do you like
Yep.
the snow?
Yeah, I think you
Do you want to come out? Come on, man. Come out and play a little bit.
I had a lot for the day.
Let me give her some snow actually.
Oh,
Here's a gift for you. Here's a gift for you. Okay, there you go. She's holding the snow, and she's trying to hit me with the snow. Oh. So guys, anyway, just wanted to show you that she's there hiding. And that's it. So we're still enjoying the weather. It's cold, so see you guys